I ordered a box of hair color and it finally arrived. Which means this is it. I'm finally gonna try coloring my hair by myself for the first time. Good luck. There are times when we are left with no choice but to try something new. It's scary at first. Cause what if I make a mistake? What if I mess up? But you know what? Maybe I don't have to think about it that much. Whatever. Okay, so it says mix solution 1 and 2, and then mix 5 times without shaking. And voila! Color time! See, it's all about going with the flow. Taking it one step at a time. So, I've never really tried coloring my hair by myself. Because I have zero confidence in my skills and I'm super scared it will be patchy or weird. But now that I have tried it, that wasn't so bad. I'm actually quite thrilled that I might try doing this again. Perhaps I'll get better and faster after a few tries. As they say, it's all about practice. I guess sometimes the most beautiful results come from detours we least expect. It's just a matter of how curious and brave we are to take on these unfamiliar experiences to discover fresh perspectives and infinite possibilities that await those who are willing to try and step into the realm of new colors.